Hello. Already I have discussed about the eutectic system, the definition of eutectic system, eutectic temperature, eutectic point, and also I have drawn the phase diagram of eutectic system. Now I am going to discuss about an example of eutectic system of the first classification, that is, two components are completely soluble in the liquid state but insoluble in the solid state. So this is the example, and the example is bismuth cadmium alloy system. Okay, now see, these are the two vertical lines. As per the discussion, temperature is the vertical line, then percentage of composition we are taking in the horizontal line. Here I am taking left side is, we can say, cadmium, and right side is bismuth. What does it mean? That means here at the left side, this is 0% of we cannot write here, we can say that 0% of bismuth. Then the composition percentage is slowly increasing or gradually increasing from left side to right side. Suppose this is 10%, then 20%, like this, 30%. Suppose this is 50%, and like this, and this is 100% bismuth. Okay, now come to the melting temperature of cadmium, that is in 325 degrees Celsius. Suppose we are taking, this is 325 degree Celsius temperature, and this is the melting temperature of cadmium. Then what is the melting temperature of bismuth? That is near about 273 degrees Celsius. Suppose this is 325, this will be 300, then 200, 100, this is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, 25 degrees Celsius. So you come here, suppose this is the 272 degree Celsius. Okay, and this is the point A and this is the point B. Then the eutectic temperature is 140 degree. The eutectic temperature is 140 degree. So I have drawn, this is the constant temperature line, and this is 140 degree Celsius. Now look into the diagram. This is the eutectic point. I have mentioned E. Now A, E, B we can write here. This will be C, this will be D. Okay, now see, this is 100% liquid, L. Liquid of what? Bismuth and cadmium. Now when the solidification starts, that means this is the liquidous line. So just below the liquidous line, solidification starts. So this will be liquid, this portion will be liquid plus solid. Also here this will be liquid plus solid. Now see, this is the solidus line, solidus. This is the solidus line. These two lines are liquidous line. Liquidous line. Okay. Now let's say this percentage is 60%. 60%. Okay. Now we can say that this is solid. This portion will be cadmium plus solid bismuth. This portion will be bismuth. See guys, this is the eutectic system of bismuth and cadmium system. Actually we want to make the alloy system of bismuth and cadmium. This is the melting temperature of cadmium and this is the melting temperature of bismuth. Suppose we are providing heat above 325 degrees Celsius. So what happened? Both the components cadmium and bismuth will be in liquid state. That means these two components are completely soluble in the liquid state. Okay, then when solidification starts, just below from the liquidous line there will be the portion liquid plus solid. See, we have mentioned the percentage composition is gradually increasing from left to right, that is bismuth. So this left portion will be maximum cadmium and this portion will be maximum bismuth. So we can write here this portion will be liquid plus this is cadmium. Okay, and also we can write here this portion will be liquid plus solid bismuth. And this is the eutectic point. See, the liquid is directly converted to two new solid, that is solid cadmium and solid bismuth. So this point is the eutectic point, and this constant or this horizontal line is known as the eutectic temperature. This is all about the eutectic system, where both the components are completely soluble in the liquid state but insoluble in the solid state. That means these both cadmium and bismuth are not soluble in the solid state. They will separate from each other from the solution during the solidification. This is all about the bismuth cadmium system.